Nookums Paci-Plushies Unicorn Shakies Pacifier Holder by Nookums is one of the best sellers among baby pacifiers products. Stop lost pacifiers. Paci-Plushies make finding babies pacifiers snap. Eliminate the stress of searching for lost pacifiers. Easily replace pacifiers. Each Paci-Plushie includes a Nookums pacifier that detaches from the animal for replacement and sanitation. Use the manufacturer's Nookums pacifier or swap it out for your own. Paci-Plushies pacifier holders have a flexible hug ring that attaches to a variety of babies' favorite pacifiers including Mam, Abent, Nook and many more. Please note, Paci-Plushies are compatible with most but not all pacifiers. Paci-Plushies work best with pacifiers that have a button shield. Helps with fine motor skills. Paci-Plushies plush animals make it easier for babies to independently maneuver the pacifier at a younger age. The manufacturer's huggable designs are sized for little hands and textured for touch and exploration. Grows with baby. Turn any Paci-Plushies plush product into a chillable teether with the manufacturer's Shakies teether add-on. Shakies teethers are filled with purified water and store in the fridge. These lightweight chillables help to soothe tender gums and boo-boos for children of all ages. Attach your favorite Paci-Plushie and baby will enjoy the cooling power of a teether while keeping their fingers warm with their favorite plush. Sold separately. Helps with transition. When baby outgrows the pacifier, the Paci-Plushies animal becomes a familiar toy that helps ease the transition tear-free. Pacifier detaches for replacement and sanitation. Plush is machine washable. Hassle-free packaging.